إِذَا الشَّمْسُ كُوِّرَتْ means when the sun will be darkened. Sun is a star, right? Raima, 11. Sun is a star. Earth is a planet. So Allah says your stars, the sun will be darkened. So you go to science school, you know what a black hole is? You know what a supernova is? You know what a pulsar is? Heard the word? A neutron star? Okay. Now, how do we know what a black hole is right now? Have you seen a black hole? Have human beings seen a black hole? Have human beings seen a star die? Yes, they have. Okay, they have. We can see it, okay? Actually, this phenomenon is happening right now. If you can study it, there are two stars coming together and just revolving around each other. You can see it. They're close enough that you can spot it. So Allah says, when your sun will be darkened. Ryan? And Abdullah bin Abbas, you know who he is? Heard the name? Abdullah bin Abbas. He's the scholar of the Quran. The Quran. He's the scholar of the Quran. He's not the people of the Nuh, people of Idris. He says, when people went to Abdullah bin Abbas, they said, what does this mean when the sun will be darkened? Abdullah bin Abbas says, Raima, he says, can I get your scarf? Thank you. This is what he does. Abdullah bin Abbas says, he opens a turban, because they used to wear turbans, right? We wear turbans, your mom wears a turban. He says, this is how the sun will be darkened. And people say, what does this mean? He says, the way you turn a turban, I'm turning the cloth on turban. This is how the sun will be darkened. Okay? Now, Rama, focus. This is how a star dies. This is how Abdullah bin Abbas is telling us. And see this in this slide. Rama, you see it? Now see the words of Abdullah bin Abbas. Read this. This is Abdullah bin Abbas. Now, Rama, you're 11. You should be asking this question. How did Abdullah bin Abbas, 1400 years ago in the desert, without a telescope? He's not the people of Nuh. He's the people of Muhammad bin Abdullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, like us. How did he know?
Even without a telescope, he would have needed the simulation.
Yeah, he wouldn't have, yeah. He couldn't. Even with the telescope, we can't do that. We need a lot more technology to see this.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إذا الشمس كورت وإذا النجوم انكدرت وإذا الجبال سيرت وإذا العشار عطلت وإذا الوحوش حشرت وإذا البحار سجرت وإذا النفوس زوجت وإذا الموءودة